Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the light button right here to open the controls menu. So let's press and hold the light button, and after a second or two the controls menu should open. Now, and once you're in the menu, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Scroll through the menu, select the option called Do Not Disturb, and as you can see at the moment it is turned off because it says off. To enable the mode, make sure that the icon is selected, then press the start button and it should turn on, switch to on. And once it does, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable Do Not Disturb mode. To disable it, simply open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, press the start button, and it will switch to off, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.